Hello everybody, Payout Big Scratchers here, and we are on tickets 10 and 11 as of today. We're halfway through this book, and it's $300 million cash explosion, $30 individual tickets, and here are the ticket numbers, 10 and 11. We're going to start with 10. The instructions are to match any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win prize show, reveal date, float or bill, win prize automatically. The multipliers are 2 and 10 times. The star is, if you reveal a star, you get $500 and cash win all 30 prizes. And we're going to use DK Scratcher Coin today to scratch these tickets, 10 and 11. And our winning numbers are 39, 42, 34, 46, 6, 49, 32, did I say 49? I said 39. 11, 24, and 14. And our numbers are 13, we have a 14, 28, 43, 5, and 38, 28, 38. And we have none of those numbers at the top. The next row, there's a 53. There are no 50s. 18, 51, no 18, no 50s. Just said it, no 50s. 1 and 25. We have 24. And a 6 is the only one I see as a single number. 31, 19, and 7. Now we have a 14 and 11. 40 and 29. We want that 10X. I haven't had a 10X in a while. 27 and 35, 54, 55, and 57. We don't have any of those because we have no 50s. Okay. 22, 17, and 20. Nope, and nope. 3 and 36. What's that? 44. 48. 23. We have a 24. 45 and 16. No 45 and no 16. So ticket 10 is a loser. Ticket 11. Winning numbers are 21, 15, 14, 33, 57, 3, 34, 5, 51, and 40. And our numbers are 11, 42, 12, 8, and 37. Let's see. No 11, no 42, no 12, no 8, and no 37. 32, we have 33, 34, 38, 60, 51. Does that mean it's going to be a winner? That's 60. Guess we'll find out. 49, 46, 14. It's a winner. We have a 14. 21. There's a 21. 53. 13. 16. We have 14, 15, 29, and 39. Let's see, nothing with a 9 in it. 50, 50, and 18. We have 40. 56. We have 57. 52. We have 57. We have 51. 36. We have 33 and 34. 35. 27. No 27. Last row. We have a 54. And we don't have a 54 up here. 33 and 31. We have 33. There's a match right there. So we know what this is going to be. 23. No 23. And a 59. No 59. So we have 3 matches. The 33. Little zeros. $10. The 21. $10. And the 14. For $10. Money back off of this ticket. Yay! Zero on ticket 10. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hello, guy. I'm back. I should be called You Missed It. But anyway, ticket 10 was a dud. And ticket 11, I missed a number. I missed that 51 right there. Right by the 60. We're going to scratch it down. So this is a $40 win instead of a $30 win. Yay. Anyway, sorry about that. Like, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. I use DK Scratcher Coin for these tickets. Bye. Have a good day.